Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this festive, colorful look. I don't know how I even got it. You will see in the video, like, it's really a big mess, but it somehow turned out bomb. Okay, like, I really miss doing colorful looks. Fall and winter, I'm over all that smoky stuff. Okay, I'm gonna need to get back to where I started, know the colors. Yeah, so that's what we're doing here. And yeah, it turned out really cute. Yeah, but anyway, so if you want to see how I got this look, then remember to keep watching, hit the subscribe button, that notification button, so you won't miss any other videos that I put up, because I'm coming this year. Like, I'm coming for it all. Okay, so oh yeah, and comment, like, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next look. Okay, so I already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And the first two colors we're going to start off with is this. It's orange at the bottom and the one at the top. Right. And this is from the Beige Cosmetics 120 Edition palette. And I'm basically going to mix the two together. The light one first, and then the dark color, or the darker orange. Tap off the excess and pat and blend. Okay, and going into the Nubian 2, I'm going to take that darker orange and I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm not going to put it, well, it kind of is going to go over it, so. So next we're going to take this deep purple in the Magic palette, and I'm also going to take that navy blue and put that in the crease. And my eyes might look a little different from each other because I did use different palettes on this eye. I think I used like 5 palettes just for this eye right here. Why, I don't know. So I tried to lower the number of palettes that I used. Okay, so I'm going to take this blue first and package. And that blue isn't as pigmented as I would like it to be. So I'm going to go back to the BH Cosmetics palette and get a blue out of there. Blended that blue out as much as possible. Like, it's not going to be pigmented, I guess, because it's on top of the orange, so I don't know. But I'm going to go in with this purple and place it in the crease. I guess I am going to use all the palettes that I used before. Okay, so go back into the Nubian 2 and take this dark purple and mix it in with another purple from the Masquerade palette. This it's like a plum or something like that, but that matte purple. I'm just going to mix those two. You're probably like, what is this girl doing? Trust me, I don't know. I kind of have no idea how I got this over here. So, all the colors that I used in my crease to get this mess, I'm going to put on the outer corner. And I'm going to go in with the blues. And I'm actually going to place that on top of purple, because that's what I did on the other side. Like when I say I literally made a mess, but somehow it turned out decent, that's really what happened. For my lid, I'm going to take this blue shimmer from the Masquerade palette right here, this dark one. Okay. And I'm going to go back into those purples and kind of layer it on top of the blue. Okay, so I did my wing, and I'm going to take this purple liner from NYX and this iridescent glitter. It's called Magellan Spark. It's white, but it has green flecks in it, and I put it on top of the blue. It's going to turn green, but it's going to look turquoise. Okay? Okay, so now we got the hard part out the way. The eye is basically done, and I applied my lashes, and this is from my lash line, Lash by Keke. This is in the style Keke, and that is in the description box below. Okay. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm going to take this gel eyeliner from LA Girl. Yeah, this is in the color Royal Blue. Okay, so I'm going to take the purple first and the orange last, and I'm going to use the Nubian too for that. The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at... Okay, so I'm just going to take that orange and place it halfway. You will feel something tell me that you're the kind that I should make a love. I'm going to take this purple shimmer from the Magic palette and just place it in my inner corner and kind of connect it to the bottom as well. Without the